Hey and welcome back, Royden here today. CPH Group, we're often inspired by you, our customers, and love working with you on your projects. A recent project highlighted this with one of the most creative ways we've seen Maxi-lite Digital PVC used. Waterways theme complete with fish and tiny turtles was CNC cut from 16 sheets of our 2mm Maxi-lite Digital PVC to produce a massive stencil. The stencil was pressed into wet concrete, leaving an impression, and once dry, colour was added to highlight a creative footpath at a childcare centre. This super clever design certainly looked impressive while getting processed on our CNC router, and really love this out of the box thinking. As well as Maxi-lite, we also CNC router Probond aluminium composite panel and Endurex, which are both very popular for profile lettering. We can turn quotes around very quickly, usually within an hour, and jobs completed within 48 hours from being given the go ahead. Give us a call today to get started on your next CNC job.